Today I will tell you how to work on radio station and how work radio station. A complete tour to radio station. These are mics and this is our telephone.
These are very expensive microphones, and this is a telephone for online calls. There are three mics and one table, and in front of me, a mirror, and outside the mirror, engineer is sitting who control console and control the voice of any RJ. And you are watching a radio studio. This is a studio, and you're watching the walls of studio. This is thermopole sheets. Yes, for voice proof. If you want to do voiceover and you want to soundproof room, use these sheets. Now today I will tell you how to work a radio station and how to do best quality of voice for radio or for any voiceover work, and how to use console. Console is very important instrument for radio or any voice over artist. Always produce a radio studio in room and in room, because for the purpose of soundproof, and this is whole complete radio studio. Now we discuss about control room. This is Noman Sheikh working as an engineer. These are two computers, and this is console. This is totally audio control room. You're watching. This is a radio. This is microphone. These two computers are connected to console, and console is connected to the booster. When any RJ speak, the engineer control her or his voice and send to the booster. Booster send his voice in waves up, and you listen on radio. So when you listen any radio, feel that this is the room where the voices are on air. Is it these walls? These walls are very beautiful and soundproof walls. Now this is off air. After some time, when any RJ come to the studio work, and this light is off air and then on air.